How to Make Money on OnlyFans, the Complete Guide. OnlyFans is a social media website where creators charge a monthly fee for fans to follow their account. After paying your subscription fee, users gain access to your feed where they can view your exclusive content. Creators keep 80% of the money generated by their account, while the remaining 20% goes to OnlyFans. Getting started. OnlyFans is a premium social media site. Every creator profile has the following tabs. Posts. All your content can be seen here. Photos, videos, audio, stories, live videos, updates, and more. Photos. Your photos are shown here. Videos. Your video content is shown here. Audio. Your voice recordings are kept here. Likes. Total number of likes received is displayed here. Fans can also see your content they liked. Fans. Your number of fans are shown here. Fans themselves are not visible. Note. To earn money on OnlyFans, you need to be at least 18 years old. When creating your OnlyFans account, you should think about a name for your account, the kind of content you want to post, how often you will post, and your monthly subscription price. You can create an OnlyFans account for a wide variety of content, including fitness coaching, cosplaying, fashion, travel blogging, DIY tutorials, beauty, gaming, adult content, recipe and cooking tips, funny videos, influencer vlogs, and modeling. Making money on OnlyFans. After having your OnlyFans account fully set up, now is the time to start posting content to your feed. Whenever a fan sees your profile, they can see the number of photos, videos, audio, likes, and fans you have. Your fans are paying for access to your content. You want to make sure that you have a reasonable amount of content available. Your monthly subscription fee is not the only way you can make money on OnlyFans. You can make money through tips and pay-per-view content. We'll look at these methods in detail below. Ask for tips. Fans can send you tips by clicking the dollar icon under your posts, or they can tip you through the messages. If you post high-quality content, don't be afraid to ask your fans to like your post and tip you if they enjoy your content. Sell custom content using tips and PPV messages. Sell items in exchange for a tip. You can sell both digital content and physical goods this way. For example, you could sell workout plans in PDF format, meal plan PDFs, physical recipe books, photos and videos, products you own that you want to sell to your fans. When selling on OnlyFans, create a tip menu and list your items for sale plus the tip fee. Pin your tip menu to your profile and tell your fans to let you know what they're tipping you for. If you are selling digital products, keep them in specific document folders so you can quickly upload and send them to your fans after receiving an order from your tip menu. When selling physical products, try and stick to small, lightweight products that are inexpensive to ship to your fans. Keep in mind that you might need your fan's phone number depending on the courier you use. If a phone number is needed for delivery, add it to your tip menu. If you are shipping physical products using a tracking shipping service, send your fan the tracking number to give them peace of mind. To pin your tip menu to your OnlyFans profile of pin and any other post. First, post it, then click the settings button, the 3 dots next to your post, and click Pin to your profile page. Use mass messages to provide exclusive content. You can use OnlyFans' mass messaging feature to provide exclusive content to your current subscribers. Instead of posting content on your feed for future subscribers to see, you can send a video, photo, or a message to all your current fans. Since the content won't be on your feed, only current subscribers will have access to it, making it exclusive. You can use this strategy on your social media accounts to gain new subscribers. OnlyFans PPV messages, pay-per-view messages, locked post. You can make money on OnlyFans by sending out PPV messages to your subscribers. These messages are priced locked so that your fans can only view it if they pay. You can send photos, photo sets, up to 20 photos, audio tracks, and videos. The minimum price you can set is $3. You can also send PPV messages to a specific subscriber. For example, you might have a subscriber who requested a custom photo or video for $50. In this case, you would send the PPV message to that fan exclusively. To send a PPV message or a price-locked message on OnlyFans, click the envelope icon on the top of the page. This will take you to the chat page. On the chat page, click New Message. Next, tick the All Subscribers box and click Next. Write your message and attach the media you want to send. Then click the price tag icon to add your price for the content. Next, click Send and you're done. As mentioned earlier, if you have a free OnlyFans account, you can also price lock your posts, which will require your subscribers to pay for that particular post before viewing it. Helpful OnlyFans tips. Below are some useful tips to help you build a profitable OnlyFans account. Link a domain name to your OnlyFans account. Buy a domain name and have it redirect to your OnlyFans account so it's easier to remember. A domain name or URL is simply a web address that people use to access a site. For example, you could buy the domain name topworkouts.com and make it redirect to your onlyfans.com/topworks, or buy the domain name IamMaryJane.com and make it redirect to onlyfans.com/MaryJane. Redirecting your domain name to your OnlyFans account is simple. You can learn out how to redirect your URL here. Interact with your fans. Have conversations with subscribers who reply to you. Engaging with them is a good way to show that you care about your followers. Engaged fans are the ones who will continue paying your monthly membership. Schedule your content. Create your content in advance and schedule it to appear later on your feed. This keeps your feed active, especially during times when you might be too busy to add new content. Scheduling content is also more efficient since you can spend hours or days creating new content. Then, you can schedule the same content to appear on your feed over a period of time, like a week, for example. You can schedule photos, videos, audio, and updates. Be consistent. Post content regularly and talk with your fans every day. If you go a long time without posting content or interacting with your fans, they are more likely to cancel their subscription. Update your feed at least every 2 days, even if it's just a photo or status update. Show your followers that you are active. Show that someone who pays your monthly price is getting what they paid for. Be patient. Treat your OnlyFans account like a business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and unless you have a major following, it could take some time to get things going. Hook your subscribers. Put your subscribers in the habit of coming back to your page by posting content regularly. This is especially useful if you have something you want to sell in your messages. You are more likely to sell something in the messages if you have fans who regularly check your page. Consistency is key with any business you start. Create a custom welcome message. Send an automated welcome message to every new fan who subscribes to your OnlyFans account. Before you can do this, you need to activate the feature. Go to your settings, then click Chats tab. Then, look for Welcome Messages for New Fans. Click the gray button next to it. Once you have clicked the button, it should turn blue. This means it has been activated. Next, create a welcome message that will be sent automatically to new subscribers. Once you are done, click the blue Save button next to your message. A welcome message is a good way to get a conversation started with your fans. They could be unfamiliar with how to use OnlyFans, or they could have a custom content request. Create a sizzle reel promotional video. Create a short promotional video, 1 to 2 minutes long, showcasing your best content snippets. Having a sizzle reel on your profile shows new subscribers your best work, letting them know your value straight away. You can also pin your sizzle reel to the top of your profile for all your subscribers to see. Listen to feedback. Take note of regular questions, suggestions, and feedback you get from fans and create an FAQ list in your Notes app. When the same questions keep popping up, add the questions plus the answer to the FAQ. This way you can copy and paste the answer to a fan every time the question comes up. Keep a list of recurring suggestions and feedback too. Use this to improve your account and content. Conclusion. OnlyFans is a great way to make money online if you have exclusive content to offer your fans. Remember to post consistently and interact with your fans to maintain your subscriber count. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you know anyone who runs an OnlyFans account or plans on creating one, feel free to share this guide with them. Thanks for watching.